What's up guys, welcome to this video where we are going to be talking about something super simple, super basic, but it is very overlooked. And that is talking about your Instagram handle and your bio. So let's dive into my screen. I'm going to show you what you guys should do, how to optimize it, how to make your guys' look appealing so that people are engaged in your profile and they want to follow you and see what you're up to. So here, and this is my personal account, so as you can see my name is Trevin.Peterson. And that is your Instagram handle. So you want to come up with an Instagram handle that is simple, that someone can remember. And the purpose of this is if you post something that's cool, that's unique, that's different, a week later they're going to remember it, they're going to want to show a friend. But if they can't remember your Instagram name, then that is not good because then they can't find you. And if people can't find you, they can't remember your name, then how are you going to grow organically? So that is something super simple. You want to come up with a name that is very basic. So for example, we're gonna look up Gary Vee. And what is his profile? It's Gary Vee. It's literally impossible to misspell. It's very straightforward. We're gonna go to Grant Cardone. What is his? It's Grant Cardone. We got Russell Brunson. His is literally just his name. And so if you guys can come up with something that is simple, that's easy to remember, that is where you want to be. So for my particular account, it's Trevin.Peterson, and it's because Trevin Peterson was taken, so I had to do Trevin.Peterson. I could also do Trevin_Peterson. I could do official Trevin Peterson. So get creative, come up with something that's easy to remember so that when your followers are wanting to look at your content again, it's easy to type in and it comes up, okay? So that is the first thing. So that's with a personal account. So now let's talk a little bit about viral accounts. So for mine, I have the Sports Original account. So Sports Original, it comes up right here. And the hard thing about a viral account is it's hard to get creative. So what I mean by that is a lot of times the username or the Instagram handles are going to be taken because there's so many Instagram accounts out there. So that's where you're going to have to get creative. So with mine, Sports Original, I had to get really creative because there's a lot of sports accounts out there. So I had to use a Z and an underscore. But at the same time, it's still something that's simple that people can remember, and so as soon as they search sports with a Z, it's going to come up. So that's what you want to do with a viral account, whether it's a travel account, whether it's a motivational account. You want something that's simple, easy to read, not a lot of numbers, not a lot of jumble, okay? You want it simple. So that is what you need to do with your personal account and the viral account that you guys are going to start growing. So that is the first tip for this video, and now let's talk a little bit about the Instagram bio. So right here is your Instagram bio, is basically what your account is about. So welcome to my lifestyle. I have my website, so if someone wanted to search my website, trevinpeterson.com, I'd say that I'm an Amazon seller, so other Amazon sellers are going to want to follow me as well. I'm a YouTuber, and I say go sub if you guys want to watch my YouTube channel, and then DM for inquiries, and then I say that I speak Spanish as well. So having that I speak Spanish, that opens up the door to someone that may not speak English, and they may have not followed me otherwise if I wouldn't have put that there. And then I say learn how to make money, and then I have the little down click, and they click on this, and then I have a bunch of different links in my bio, which I'm going to show you later how we're going to do that. But that's what you want to do, is you want to set up your Instagram bio so that it's easy to read, it tells you what you're about, and it's simple. It's something that's going to catch the eye, and as soon as they read it, they're either going to say, oh, this person seems interesting, or they're going to say the opposite and they're not going to follow you. But that's okay. We only want people that are interested in the content that we are posting. So that's what you need to do, is to post on your bio, basically explain what you're about, what you're doing, and use emojis as well. So what you're going to do is once you come up with what you want to talk about, is you're going to go to edit profile, and I figured out that it's, for whatever reason, it's easier to do this on a computer. You can do it on your phone, but to get it to where it makes it look all perfect in one line, it's easier to do on a computer. And what I mean by that is if I go like this and I delete this and it makes it look all jumbled, and I hit submit, and then I go back to my profile, it's not all in one line. It doesn't look very good. It's harder to read. And so that's what you want to do, is you want to go to edit profile, put in what you want, put in your emojis, and then hit return, and then go here again, hit return, and then just like that, it's all in one straight line, and it's easy to read, okay? So that's another tip that you guys need to do, is make it easy to read and make it interesting. So that's why I put emojis on there. So now let's go to my sports account, sports original, and same thing is set up here. I have what this account is about. I have DM for collaborations. I have email me if you're interested in doing something, and then learn how to make money on Instagram. So you'll notice on every single one of my Instagram accounts, I have a call to action in the bio saying click this link. It's going to take you somewhere. It's going to show you how to make money on Instagram. And so that I will talk about later, but that's what you want to have in mind, is you're going to want to save room for basically a call to action. So learn how to make money on Instagram. They click this link. It's an affiliate link, and so if they purchase or buy something on that affiliate link, I'm going to get a commission on that. So that's why I have that call to action there. So those are the two basically simple things that you guys need to do, is change your Instagram handle for your viral account or for your personal account. Make it simple, make it something easy to read, easy to remember, and then go in and adjust your bio, make it interesting, add emojis, basically tell your audience what you're doing. And you have not very many characters to do it with, but just get creative with it and find the best way to basically capture your audience. So that is everything that I wanted to go over in that video, and so we will see you in the next video where we start diving into a little bit more in depth of how to grow your Instagram account. So we will see you there.